impressive to see these early design jets, but not nearly as impressive as the F-22 coming up later this afternoon. Safe and sound down as the MiG-15 Planes of Fame Museum. Air show coming up in a few weeks, where you'll see the MiG-15 and the rest of their collection over there again, starting with 10 and up to 150 aircraft right now. Almost 100 of them airworthy that they fly. The F-86, a beautiful example of it as well. Setting up and preparing, coming up in just a few moments, the Red Bull Air Force.